Good morning. What did I do yesterday? I switched that from the front to the back of the handlebars and put the bottle carrier in front. I think this works nicer because when I put the GoPro, that is, I can see the bag in front, you see, so that's a bit distracting for me. So now I've got the bag in the back and the GoPro goes there, it shouldn't be a problem. Alright, so some of you may be wondering, with Big Apple tires on, how would it affect the fold? Well, first off, the Birdy is not exactly an elegant fold anyway, right? But let's have a look. I haven't actually folded the bike yet since I put the tires on, so let's give it a try. So here's the Birdy folded with the big apples on them. Let's see. There doesn't seem to be an issue anywhere. Everything's folded nicely. And with my bag here, it actually stops from it knocking against anything. So that works pretty well, as you can see. So there you are. The Big Apple is not a problem. I would highly recommend these tires. So that's it for today's video. On the next video I'm going to talk about the benefit of an 18-inch wheel versus 16-inch or 20-inch wheel. So catch me on the next video. Ciao. Safe rides. Damn, that's no good.